Hi, my name is Jun Jie PAN and my student ID is 104388959. Now I am currently major in Bachelor of Business Accounting and I am in the first year, second sem. Now I will going to talk about the SAP and Global Buy Group. This is my table of content. First, I will going to talk about the Global Buy Group. So Global Buy Group is created by John Davis and Peter Schwartz, and it is almost created 20 years ago. It is began as a result of the need for a racing bike with a high performance. It is combined knowledge of both road racing bike and off-road bike to create Global Bike in 2001. Global Bike Group having subsidiary in Heidelberg and Germany, and they are having headquarters in Dallas, USA. Co-CEO are John and Peter. John is in charge of HR, marketing, and finance, and Peter is supervise the manufacturing and research design. Now we are going to talk about the strategy. So they have three strategy, which is product strategy. So this strategy is focused on global bike emphasis on high quality, innovative bicycle, and it describes the company's investment in product development and the range of bike and accessory offer, including theory and off-road models. The next strategy is manufacturing strategy. So it is to outline the global bike production facilities in Dallas and Heidelberg, detailing the production process and outsourcing of components like frame and carbon composite wheels. It emphasizes collaboration with specialty partners for research and design. The third strategy is IT strategy. It details global bytes move to centralized IT function in 2009 and the integration of SAP ERP to streamline operations. It also discussed the company transition to SAP S4 HANA in 2017 to further enhance digital transformation. Next, we are going to talk about network. So the first network is distribution network. It explains Global Bytes' approach to distribution, which rely on expert independent bicycle dealers (IBDP, IBDS) for retail sales. It also mentioned the limit role of internet sales due to tax complexities. Next, we are going to talk about partner network. It describes global by partnerships with suppliers, focus on the strong relationship it maintains with key vendors to assure product quality and continuity. Now we were going to talk about my SAP project. First, we need to choose the manage product master data to create the product master record for the finished good. And my number is 920 and I enter the product as DSTR1920 and I click the copy and once the window pop up, I select the DL00 under the plant and deselect others. After that, I have changed the name to the product number to DSTR4920 and press OK. And after that, I changed the name again, the product name, which is Deluxe Theory by Web Beta, and press OK. And it will create the master data. Next, click again the Manage Product Master Data and enter DRFR 1920 and make the window pop up and select the DL00 and deselect others. And next, fill in the product number with DRFR 4920 and press OK. After that, change the product name at the language DE to Theory by Rama to Web Beta and press OK, and the master data record created. Moving on, uh, press change material to extend the material master record for the raw material and enter my DRFR 4920 under material and then press continue and to select the costing one. And then after that, enter DL00 under the plant and checkbox with the quantity structure and material origin and fill in EA for base unit of measure and click save. Next, we need to click the maintain bill of material and find the DSTR 1920 and then we click it and copy it and then change the material name to DSTR 4920 and the plant is DL00 and then change the bomb usage to 1 production and press OK. And then they will come out the data which is having DRFR 1920 and change the name to DRFR 4920 and press OK. The material BOM are safe. Next, we need to create routing. So we need to click the create routing button and enter the STR 4920 and plant DL00 and click on copy. And next, we need to put the usage in 1 production and the overall statute in 4. And it will come out the DSTR 1920, DRFR 4920, and DGAM 1920, which is the quantity is 2, 1, and 1. And click the save. And it will save with the group, the number, and the material DSTR 4920. Next, we are creating the cost estimation. So we need to click the create material cost estimation button. And first, we need to click the material, enter the material in DSTR 4920 and the plant is DL00. But after that, I need to enter the information in, but it cannot. It's having the problem of the DSTR should be cost in the cost estimation with the quantity structure. And this is why I stop at here. Next, I will going to talk about the 5 tools that helped me in this semester. So, learning tablet AU, Power BI, and Excel data was one of the semester main highlight. I can use interactive dashboard, chart, and table to turn raw data in insightful knowledge thanks to these tools. For instance, Power BI was notable for its smooth integration with numerous data sources, while Tablet AU's user-friendly interface make it simple to create accessory pricing dashboard. Conversely, Excel offers the flexibility for splitting, formatting, and data analyzing. Together, these tools help me learn how to identify thread, review structure, and clearly communicate data. It's skills that are necessary in both learning and expert setting. Next, I have using Adobe Express for video editing. Using Adobe Express to edit video was another useful skill I require. I was able to produce polished and captivation video content for presentation and thanks to these tools. I discovered how to success convert concept by fashioning the text, the sound, and the image. Finding the right balance between creativity and professionalism was difficult at first, but doing so have given me more confidence when I present. The next tool is SAP, Enterprise Resources Planning. My learning experience came to a close when I investigate SAP using the global byte scenario. I gained practical experience in comprehending enterprise level business operations such as material management, product and production, and sales as a result of this. Learning SAP involved more than just using the program. It also involves observing how company function in actual setting with all divisions collaborating harmoniously. I gain important knowledge about how information moves through a company to act in decision making. This semester, uh, that I learned the reflection in this semester has changed my life by enabling me to relate my theoretical understanding to real-world application. I was prepared for real-world situation by the practical assignment, with tested by my ability to evaluate data, resolve challenging issue, and effectively communicate my findings. The ability to use feasibility diagram and clear communication to turn raw data into insightful knowledge was a crucial component of my education. And I learned that the reflection in this semester has changed my life by enabling me to relate my theoretical understanding to real-world application. I was prepared for real-world situation by the practical assignment with tested my ability to evaluate data, resolve challenging issue, and effectively communicated my finding. The ability to use facility diagram and clear communication to turn raw data in insightful knowledge was a critical component of my education. In order to make my work interesting and polished, I also have to change to experiment with different way of presenting concept. All things considered, the hands-on learning opportunity this semester add in my development as a learner and potential professional. They improved my problem solving skills, gave me a broad skill set, and prepared me to speak clearly in variety of setting. Thank you.